Peace and grand rising to the sovereign, original, indigenous, natural divine heirs, and their subjects. Today is August the 3rd, 2023 on the ancient moon calendar, 2024 on the ancient sun calendar. And we are here to place some documentation on the public record for the public record and letting the public record show. All rise and stand and remain standing into perpetuity and according to the ancient Noahide laws as stated by this holy court. This is a sovereign living ancient Article 3, Moorish American Al-Moroccan Universal Court action. We are the sovereign living justices and ego sum, Pauline Denise Ritchie, in capitis diminution nolo, in red ink, in propria persona sui juris, in proprio solo, and in proprio heredes, and my free chosen sovereign appellation is like tajiri Bay. All are in capitis diminution nolo, in red ink, in propria persona sui juris, in proprio solo, and in proprio heredes. We are capite et corpus juris legalis, which is our statement that we are the lawful and legal natural head and body for our empire. All Moors are the original indigenous, sovereign, ancient, Al-Moroccan, Moorish American ascendants of the great pharaohs of Kemet and of the ancient Moabites, Canaanites, Israelites, Hamathites, Cushites, and Hittites. Our full faith and trust, our allegiance, our honor, our credit, and our energy are hereby vested in ourselves, for we are the people who are the original indigenous, natural divine, sovereign ancient empire state for Morocco. We're the de jure Moorish National Republic federal government. We're ancient Washington District for Columbia. We're the Universal Moorish American Consulate and the Earthwide Article 3, Moorish American Consular Court. Today, we are exercising the law by our sovereign status, which is the original indigenous, natural divine, sovereign ancient Article 3, living United States District for Columbia Court, and we are the sovereign fiduciaries, original creditors, executors, trustees, ministers, possessors, and title trustors for all causes for action. We are peace. We are one nation, one state, one empire, and one God. We hereby recognize ourselves and accept our sovereign ascension. We do hereby possess in our custody all land, all natural resources, and all commerce. We, the one true God nation, are not at war, and we hereby exercise all eternal, ancient, original sovereign rights at this time and at all points in time, nunc pro tunc. And the documentation that we're placing on the public record is as follows. Proper notification and due process for the law regarding the universal creditor status of the original indigenous ancient Moorish American Al-Moroccan people and our subjects at North America and Earthwide has been established on the public record by the United States, dated 2018, August the 3rd, by way of Universal Commercial Code 1 tax lien, United States Post Office Certified Tracking Receipt Number 950551, 6201 7682 1436 5846, as well as United States Post Office Certified Tracking Receipt 950551, 6201 7682 1436 5822. Additional notification includes the positioning of 666 trillion dolarium dollars in gold for and in the public treasury as follows. Government certified post office affirmation received at Ogden, Utah on 2023, July 27th at 11 Antimeridian. Certified receipt 70212720 0001 0886 3111. Additional proper notification and process due for the law has been established on the public record by the United States Creditor Treasury Bond 2025923 in the sum certain amount of 666 trillion gold dolarium dollars, which is allonged to the above stated Article 3 gold positioning ruling in the favor for the United States. King County Superior Court, where we are the head justices, has accepted, recorded, and filed each of these rulings in the favor of the United States on 2022, January 19th at Post Meridian 219. Affirmations for each gold banking exchange are as follows. The creditor is the United States, that is to say, the original indigenous, sovereign, ancient, Al-Moroccan, Moorish American United States. And all previous corpses and corporations properly stated are the debtors. The United States District for Columbia Court ruling, justice, judgment, and verdict statement. On 2018, August the 3rd, a living Article 3 Universal Commercial Code 1 tax lien was filed, recorded, and accepted on the public record by the principal for the named debtors as demonstrated herein. Debtors did not respond to the stated tax lien notification. Additional Universal Commercial Code 1 tax lien notification was delivered by the United States Post Office as demonstrated herein and on the public record. Debtors failed to respond to the tax lien notifications thereafter. Several additional notifications were published and sent to the debtors, their agents, principals, heirs, assigns, and derivatives thereof after the initial notification. Debtors failed to respond. Article 3 court actions were demonstrated on the public record, and debtors again failed to respond. Silence is acquiescence. Failure to respond and failure to render unto the government the stated payments is submission to our sovereign jurisdiction and admission of guilt. On 2022, March 23rd, at 9:41 ante-meridian, an Article 3 Universal Court ruling and judgment quo warranto mandamus restitutio writ affidavit was delivered to the subject in the office of Chief Executive Officer for Boost Mobile Company, Englewood, Colorado. The Article 3 United States District Court did rule in the favor of the people by District for Columbia Tort Claim Code 12.309, summary judgment, and affirmed ruling in the United States District Bankruptcy Court on the public record in the year 2023 against the debtors charged with bankruptcy, tax evasion, and fraud. Debtors' failure to respond has resulted in a judgment for the United States as agreed to by the debtors. Included in the bankruptcy, tax evasion, and fraud rulings and judgments is immediate and full restitution to the United States. Article 3 Court Judgment, Verdict, and Ruling. The system is hereby nationalized in favor for the United States as stated at Article 7 herein, and nunc pro tunc. The employer and each employee for the United States shall receive immediate mobile device entitlements in alignment with Internal Revenue Code 10.8.26, 10.8.27, and all other, to include prepaid communication devices and mobile devices with full works and accessories as stated herein, or of their choosing with presentment of a valid United States federal driver's license as stated herein and as issued by the government. Said driver's license is as follows. That's the front and the rear. United States Creditor Treasury Bond Number for the Driver License Program 2025923, issued by the United States Travel and Transportation Ministry. The following is ministered by the United States. The United States is the trustor, executor, minister, and attorney in fact transmitting utility. According to Luke, the 21st chapter, verse 15 in the ancient writings, we have given ourselves a mouth and wisdom, which none of our previous adversaries were able to contradict or rebut. And in the Moorish American Al-Moroccan ancient Biblios Heliotech, Luke, the 21st chapter, verse 15 states that ruling wisdom has no adversary. And for that, we're grateful. That concludes this presentment of the said records on the public record, for the public record, and letting the public record show. We hereby state that this sovereign justice stands and is the law. Peace and grand rising to all of risen humanity, Islam. Amendigo vobis, quae cum que sumus veritas superterum erunt ligata et in coelo, et quae cum que sumus sol veritas superterum erunt saluto et in coelo. Whatsoever we bind on earth is bound in heaven, and whatsoever we loose on earth is loosed in heaven. Amendigo vobis, quae cum que sumus veritas superterum erunt ligata et in coelo, et quae cum que sumus sol veritas superterum erunt saluto et in coelo. And once more, as it is a spell, amendigo vobis, quae cum que sumus veritas superterum erunt ligata et in coelo, et quae cum que sumus sol veritas superterum erunt saluto et in coelo. Lehaule wale kuata iala biala. There is no strength nor power except in all law. And for that, we are grateful. Peace and grand rising.